a Poppy After Midnight, and it's May 10th, 2019. I was just checking a couple of things at the tube and sending an email to Steve Barton, inviting him to the roundtable I'm trying to get going. And I saw that James Kilroy had answered my email inviting him, asking when. I said, anytime you want. Just post and notify. Hey, at least somebody's gonna join in. And after all the housekeeping I did tonight, taking out all the little commas and replacing them with apostrophes and puppies, maybe now people will be able to find me. How long are you guys going to let me run around with bad English composition on my title? What's next? I live stream and my pants fall off, no one will tell me? Oh, Zinkowski, you'll go... Night.